Currently 9:51 in the morning. Civic's ready to go. Got the GSXR 750 on the way. Hey, what can I say? It's getting litty in the city with P. Diddy. It's currently 10:11. Jason is 30 minutes away. We got the Hondeezy getting ready to be gone. Hey, finally getting a bike. We got the Didstein. It's just crazy. Got the Yamin. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, got the GSXR. Yeah, shit's hard.
Got the GSXR 750. Don't mind the fairings, they're just zip tied right now. Full straight pipe. Bucket of parts there. Non-VTEC D series. That bitch is tucking.
Hooked onto the tank, how it hurt your chest. Holy. Like riding over top of this bitch. Hey. Update. Update, we gotta chop the spring for OJ Jizzy. Well, he's chopping. Let's come take a look at the sexy ass GSXR. Hey, it's a work in progress. Hey, the fairings are zip tied, but that's okay. Those are coming up. But yeah. Read it and weep, peasants.
Let's give it a little rundown of what we got here, Rady.
I traded the Civic for a K7 GSXR 750. You know, she's a work in progress, but it's definitely gonna be fun, fast, and you know, a lot better than that shit box that he's got. Hey, you don't need to know.
Hondeezy's on the trailer. Took a while, but it's on there.
I think they see that. It's very seeable.
Still gotta strap it down fully, only got one on. And you got the wides. 12 by 24 wides. Stocks up front. Trailer rig. The Honda's all strapped up now. Mom, those motherfuckers. $300 a piece. Halos. Bumpers all attached now. This bitch ain't going nowhere.
That's all she wrote for the Civic, boys. That's all she wrote. Going to a new home. At least a home that I know. Nah, I mean, yeah.
We don't need a tire on the rim. The tire came off! The fucking tire came off! He's running straight rim! Go, Bubba! I thought it was a takeover. Spinning the intersection. Oh shit.
He literally was around the side of the building. He came up over the curb, hit the side of the building, and dropped back down. Whose car is it?
Oh, we good.